this. I got 12 CV5 15s on a 20K right now, American base VFL, wired to half ohm.
Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
One of them is messed up. The
Which
baffle's
one?
broken. The middle one in the back.
Okay.
So.
What is the amp wire to?
I think 0.6.
Hey,
Yeah.
can we play some air movement?
Yeah.
We're trying to feel how much air movement this thing.
A lot.
Make it more.
We're good.
Pretty windy?
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Like an adjustment for it. Remember the alternator? Yeah. You can like fuck with the throttle body, or they make a table where you can adjust the cable for the sensor.
When I get home, I'll play with it.
Yeah, I'd love to hear it.
Hell yeah.
I'm in line. Can I come in? What happened here?
It got lit on fire when they were doing the welding of the roof and the floor.
Oh, wow. Man, I was going to say, solid jump.
Steel.
Awesome. What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Vile. I hope you enjoyed the quick walk around we got of Corey Otis' system he showcased at the Made of Steel show in Tampa, Florida area of 2021. If you haven't already, go ahead and give him a like as well as comment what you like about his system. It's insane to see him fit this many 15-inch subwoofers in a van. Very impressive to make him turn this into a 6th order bandpass enclosure as well with this much subwoofer cone area. Insane amount of subflex you're going to see, and I got 3 different people inside of here with reactions. So if you notice the way the amplifier is mounted, he only has one of these amps. I'm sure he could put 2 of them in the back, but he made it work with 1. Didn't find out the actual exact impedance on wiring from this because one of the subs were down, but it's pretty impressive to see him wire that many subs to this amplifier. Probably this is 90 amp hours of lithium as well. I didn't really find out a lot of the electrical side, but you saw he had one alternator with this is 90 amp hour bank. And in the back is that back port, making this a 6th order enclosure. Some people may not be knowing what this stuff is, so I try to say it whenever I get a system. And notice all the subwoofers are mounted regular. There is an actual ported chamber underneath of these 15-inch subwoofers. And during the video, you're going to see that sub right there is actually hardly moving at all because it's blown. So if you haven't already, consider subscribing for daily videos and enjoy the demo.
So,
Wow.
it's playing good though. Yeah, but that's also a reason for it shifting. Alright, next track. Next track.
Appreciate the demo, man.
Not a problem.
Wow.
Good to see you, buddy.
Yes, sir. Whew. Thank you.
Have a good one.
You too. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JakeOfVile when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.